Quitting smoking can be a difficult process, but there are several techniques that can help you overcome nicotine addiction and successfully quit smoking. 1. Cold turkey. This method involves quitting smoking abruptly, without any outside help or support. It requires a lot of willpower and determination, but some people find it to be effective. 2. Nicotine replacement therapy. NRT involves using products like nicotine patches, gum, or lozenges to help. 3. Prescription. 4. Behavioral. 5. Support groups. Joining a support group, either in person or online, can provide you with the encouragement and motivation you need to quit smoking. You can share your experiences with others who are going through the same process and receive support and guidance from people who have successfully quit smoking. 6. Combination approach. Combining 2 or more of the above techniques can increase your chances of successfully quitting smoking. For example, you could use NRT in combination with behavioral therapy or support groups. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, and it may take several attempts before you are able to quit for good. Don't give up, and don't be afraid to seek professional help if you need it.